Mid-century modern meets nature, hillside and lakeside homes with timeless design. Introduction. The harmony of mid-century modern and nature. Welcome to our exploration of how mid-century modern design seamlessly blends with the natural beauty of hillside and lakeside locations. In this video, we'll delve into how the clean lines, organic shapes, and minimalist aesthetics of mid-century modern architecture complement and enhance the surrounding landscapes. This design philosophy has a timeless appeal, creating homes that are both stylish and deeply connected to their environments. Stay with us to discover some stunning examples, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts. The essence of mid-century modern design. Mid-century modern design emerged in the mid-20th century, characterized by simplicity, functionality, and an emphasis on bringing the outdoors in. Architects of this era were inspired by the idea of integrating indoor spaces with the natural world, often using large windows, open floor plans, and natural materials like wood and stone. These elements create a seamless transition between a home's interior and its surrounding environment, making them perfect for hillside and lakeside settings. Designing for hillside living. Hillside homes pose unique design challenges, requiring thoughtful integration with the natural topography. Mid-century modern architecture excels in this setting, utilizing the landscape as a key element of the design. By employing cantilevered structures, split levels, and terraced gardens, these homes blend into the hillside rather than dominating it. This approach not only preserves the natural beauty of the landscape but also provides stunning panoramic views. Embracing lakeside serenity. Lakeside homes offer a tranquil escape, and mid-century modern design enhances this experience through its use of open spaces and large windows. These homes often feature expansive glass walls that frame views of the water, creating a sense of being immersed in nature. The use of natural materials like stone and wood further connects the home to its surroundings, fostering a sense of harmony and balance. Bringing nature indoors. One of the hallmarks of mid-century modern design is the integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. By incorporating features such as indoor gardens, skylights, and sliding glass doors, these homes blur the boundaries between inside and outside. This design philosophy not only enhances the living experience but also promotes a sense of well-being by maintaining a constant connection with nature. role of natural light. Natural light plays a crucial role in mid-century modern homes, particularly those situated on hillsides or by lakes. Architects use strategically placed windows, skylights, and open floor plans to maximize the flow of natural light throughout the home. This not only reduces the need for artificial lighting but also creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that changes with the time of day and seasons. Sustainability and mid-century modern design. Mid-century modern architecture often aligns with sustainable design principles, making it an excellent choice for hillside and lakeside homes. The use of natural materials, passive solar design, and an emphasis on natural ventilation contribute to energy efficiency and environmental stewardship. This sustainable approach enhances the connection between the home and its natural setting, fostering a sense of respect and care for the environment. Furniture and decor choices. Furniture and decor in mid-century modern homes are carefully selected to complement the architectural design. Iconic pieces like Eames chairs, teakwood tables, and minimalist lighting fixtures add to the timeless appeal of these homes. The emphasis is on functionality and simplicity, with each piece contributing to the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the space. The timeless appeal of mid-century modern. The enduring popularity of mid-century modern design can be attributed to its timeless elegance and versatility. Its emphasis on simplicity, natural materials, and a seamless indoor-outdoor connection makes it a perfect fit for homes in natural settings. Whether perched on a hillside or nestled by a lake, these homes remain as stylish and relevant today as they were when first designed. Conclusion: a celebration of design and nature. Mid-century modern homes on hillsides and lakesides offer a unique blend of style and serenity. They celebrate the beauty of natural landscapes while providing functional, aesthetically pleasing living spaces. If you're inspired by this timeless design approach, consider incorporating some of its principles into your own home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue exploring the world of architecture and design together.